Enough reggae music. You must have to choose it. I saw them do it at Jamaica, you know. Roll it for rubber dub.
Speak to us of black awareness. Speak clearly. Speak loudly. Beautiful black rose, stood tall, radiant, confident in all her purity, modesty, beauty, and envy rose. Yet she stood there, harmless. But at last the wicked one won. She was attacked, deflowered, ravished. Her petals of purity, modesty, beauty were torn from her, flung to the ground, trampled by envious swine. She's there, trembling, ashamed, crying. She had been fooled. Her cultures were destroyed. She was devoured by Sodom, forced by the death of culture to clothe herself in folly, war. But suddenly, the voice of culture, modesty, beauty, cried out from its suffocation. Her hair goes up with the pride of culture. Her dress down to the call of modesty. She's free! Freed at last! Oh!
In a trench town in the ghetto where I'm from, you know. I hear those politicians preaching every day. But I know the Lord Rastafari is just, and no unjust shall enter. No unjust shall enter the gates of Mount Zion. Woe be unto all those who teach wrong doctrine, unto the children of fight. Say Selassie, I dread on every song I sing. Keep it in my heart, not to tear it apart. Not to dread. Say Selassie, I dread on every song I sing. Keep it in my heart, not to tear it apart. Not to dreadlocks. Naughty dreadlocks, say naughty dreadlocks. Oh, dread. When I dolly down in Allsden, and I start tight friend and him Eli name, and I said dread. dreadlocks, naughty dreadlocks. Oh Lord, say naughty dreadlocks, say naughty dreadlocks, say naughty dreadlocks. Oh Lord. When I go over the rocks, the club, and I sight the man them call brother fools, and I just slapper, you know. We said John, oh Lord. We said John, oh Lord. See, last year I ain't dread on every song I sing. Keep it in my heart, not to tear it apart. Naughty dreadlocks, naughty dreadlocks, say naughty dreadlocks. Sight tell all them daughter out the streets. Oh Lord. They my bob down there, they my rockers on me. They my move round there and they my groove round there. Naughty dreadlocks, they naughty dreadlocks, they naughty dreadlocks. Oh Lord. Girl, I would love to love you. I would love to hold you tight and squeeze you right in the middle of the night to make you feel alright. Cause your lips are like honey. I don't think that's funny, you know. Say naughty dreadlocks, say naughty dreadlocks, say naughty gone clear, oh Lord. Say naughty gone clear, oh Lord. I say that Babylon beware, oh Lord.
Dusk howling softly 6 o'clock. Charcoal light, the fine sight was moving blah 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 blah. The sound was music, mellow, steady flow. And man's on mind just mystic red, green. You're seeing. No man would dance but leap and shake. That shocked you feeling right. Shape that sound, tumbling down, making movement, rough enough. Cause when the music met high tops, I felt the sting, knew the shock. Yeah, had to move and ride the rock. Out of this rock shall come a greener rhythm, even more dread than what the breeze of glory bred. Vibrating violence is how we move, rocking with green rhythm, the drought and dry root out. The mighty poet Iroy was on the wire. Western did a skank, and each man laugh. Him feeling irie, dread-eye. Street 66, the said man said, any policeman come here, will get some righteous rascal at licks. Yeah man, holy buckets. Hours beat, the scene moving right. When all on a sudden, bam, 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 a knocking on the door. Who's that? Ask Western, feeling right. Open up, it's the police. Come on, open up. What address do you want? Number 66. Come on, open up. Western, feeling high, reply. Yes, this is Street 66. Step right in and take some licks.
lesson, but it is not his story, because his story is always leaving out my mother. Mama Africa, Mount Zion High, the birthplace of the Queen of Sheba, the wife of King Solomon, who is the father and the mother of the Lion of Judah. Yeah, I'm telling it to you, straight and direct. Now watch out. Tafarai Makonnen was a young youth, and him asked to see the Ark of the Covenant, for real. And the priest them and the Abuna was frozen, and them can't move. And the little youth Tafarai walk in at the Ark of the Covenant and speak with Jah. Selassie Rastafari and high and high. Now we know say the earth's rightful ruler dwells in Mount Zion High, and the Pope of Rome represents Satan upon this earth. Chawas, I would tell you. Them I say the Pope never bow to no man. Well, we have the picture, the Pope of Rome upon his knees in front of I and I Emperor Haile Selassie the First. Rastafari high and high and high, for Zion high and high, as I would tell you. No, when Mussolini was scheming with the Pope of Rome to hatch up with Hitler and invade the world and destroy everything, the first place Mussolini want go is Ethiopia, to take all of the artifacts of the church, of the original people upon the earth, back to Satan up in the Roman chamber, as I would tell you. Yeah. Now, when France and England and Spain and the League of Nations sat idly by and watch as Mussolini gas bomb Ethiopia, raping I and I mother, murdering I and I father. What him a go do? Drop gas bomb, poisonous gas, shot people, killing people. And I tell you, Haile Selassie I go to the League of Nations and they tell them straight up, if you not fight for Ethiopia, these two will invade the rest of Europe and the whole of you will fall. And him prophesies World War II, and that is truths and rights. The earth's rightful ruler I tell you say that. For real. 5 years in Ethiopia, man a fight with spears and knives upon nothing. And them a take weapons with them bare hands, fighting in ravine and gully. Independent Ethiopians, Mussolini never beat them down. For real.